Welcome to this IELTS Listening Practice test. In this video, you will listen to a short story. You will see 10 questions on the screen before the audio starts. Read all the questions carefully and try to understand what information you need to listen for. Instructions. Listen carefully to the complete audio. Write your answers while listening. The audio will be played only once. You can pause the video if you need more time. Check spelling and grammar carefully. Try to answer all 10 questions. The answer sheet will be shown at the end of the video. You will now have a few seconds to read the questions before the listening begins. Let's start the test.
Last month, I decided to visit my grandmother's village after 2 long years. I was feeling very tired of city life and wanted some peace. So I packed my bag and took a bus from Delhi early in the morning. The journey was very long. It took almost 8 hours. During the bus ride, I looked out of the window. I saw green fields, rivers, and small houses. The scenery was beautiful. When the bus finally reached the village in the evening, my grandmother was already waiting for me at the bus stop. As soon as she saw me, she started crying with happiness. All my relatives came running to meet me. They were very excited. The next morning, I woke up early. The village was very peaceful. I went for a morning walk and enjoyed the cool, fresh air. There were birds singing everywhere. After coming back, my grandmother made hot tea for me. In the afternoon, she cooked many types of traditional food. There was dal, roti, vegetables, and rice pudding. Everything was delicious. I ate so much that I felt very full. In the evening, I went to the river with my cousins. We sat under a big tree and talked about old memories. They reminded me of all the funny things I did when I was a child. We laughed a lot. At night, we had dinner together and everyone shared stories. I felt very happy and relaxed. I stayed in the village for 5 days. Every day was special. I helped my grandmother in the garden, played with the children, and learned how to cook one traditional dish. Before leaving, I promised my grandmother that I would visit again soon. This surprise visit gave me new energy and beautiful memories that I will never forget. Village life is simple, but full of love and happiness.